morning, guys. Let's have a great day today. Got my coffee in hand and I'm ready for it. Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. So I am out and about already. It is 10 o'clock. I haven't had any breakfast this morning. I had my coffee, which you guys just saw, and I had to order a few more gifts online. So I did that this morning, and got another pan of fruit in the oven to dehydrate, a sheet pan of oranges, and that should be it for the dehydration. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the cranberries. I may have to try the cranberries again a little bit later after I get the oranges out to see. Because the cranberries did not dehydrate like the other fruit. I saw one video where the lady cut them in half and then dehydrated them. So when I get back in, I may try another sheet pan doing that. But the ones that I did last night, some of them seemed to dehydrate, other ones didn't. I don't know what the deal is with that. So anyway, I still have them in the oven. I have those in the oven with the oranges still, because they still seem really plump, you know. But the house smells great. My house smells really good. But anyway, so I'm out and about. There's still a couple more things that I need to pick up as far as gifts. One of our traditions is we have Christmas, get a new set of Christmas pajamas every year. I hadn't picked those up yet, so I'm going to go and pick those up now. And along with a couple other things that I cannot say right now on camera because the recipients may be watching. So I'm not going to mention those. But anyway, it is a beautiful morning here, guys. I'm going to turn the camera around a little bit so you guys can see. It is so pretty outside. So sorry about yesterday's video. I know that yesterday's video was just, I don't know, yesterday was just a lazy day. I was just so like chilled and relaxed and just didn't want to do anything, you know. And I really don't watch television a lot. Well, it wasn't really television, it was Netflix. We were just watching stuff on Netflix. I had my breakfast yesterday morning and I just sat there on the couch with my computer, working, watching Netflix with my daughter. You know, just, I don't know, it was just one of those days. But I tell you what, I feel really, really relaxed. I feel really, really relaxed. So today is, it was a good day, great day, just a lazy one. And I think I just needed a lazy day. So anyway, I'm sorry yesterday's video was just kind of blah. But today I'm gonna make it up to you guys. I'm gonna make it up to you guys, I promise. I've got a lot that I need to take care of today, so I'm going to do that. And yeah, I want to invite you guys along with me. So let's go. First stop is Five Below. Back in Walmart again. All right, guys, I'm just leaving out of Kroger, and it is a madhouse in there. Oh my goodness, so many people. All right, guys, I am in Dollar General. This is a store I rarely come in because it's always so messy, so junky. Ugh, it's always very junky in here. But I'm getting some treats for the little pups in our family. So I'm gonna get some treats for them to go with their Christmas gift.
Hoping you'll take this ride. Girl, have you got plans for Christmas night?
So we are back home and I'm getting ready to start making dinner right now. And today's dinner is going to be cabbage and pork chops. So I'm going to do some pork chops in the air fryer, and I'm also going to fry some pork chops. So there's going to be two versions of the pork chops, but the time is now 4:46. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Christmas. Bye.
I've got the pork chops going over here. My husband, he is a country boy. He loves his fried pork chops, so he gets what he wants. And over here, we've got the fried cabbage going. I added some Rotel tomatoes. You guys didn't see that part, but just regular fried cabbage, nothing to it. But it is delicious, easy to make, delicious to taste. And then in the air fryer over here, let's check on these. All right, they're coming along nicely. They still got a ways to go. So we're gonna let those continue cooking. All right, these are ready to take out. All right, let's check on our pork chops. Woohoo! Yes, they are smelling good and they are looking even better. All right, these are ready. The cabbage is ready. Look how little, what that cabbage cooks down to. That's that entire head of cabbage, guys. This is what it is cooked down to. But it is ready. It's ready to go. We got that last pork chop here and the skillet. And yeah, we're gonna be ready to eat in just a moment.
You've been taking notice, that much is clear. Now I'm meaning to ask you, hoping you'll take this right. Girl, have you got plans for Christmas night?
Always know I always end my night or my day with a nice cup of tea. I've got my lemon in there. I got my monk fruit sweetener. Yeah, love my tea. It's so relaxing. All right, everybody, so I have got my tea. I have finished most of the projects that I wanted to do for the day. And yeah, I am gonna call it a vlog here. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Yeah, I got a lot to do tomorrow too. So I will see you guys on tomorrow. Have a blessed and a prosperous day today. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.